Do you remember Luke from Modern Family? In one of the episodes, his sister Alex straight up claims that Luke has ADHD. But what is ADHD? Welcome to Psychiatry Through TV Characters, a series where we will decode mental health using your favorite characters. So let's talk about ADHD. ADHD is Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Think of it like a three-part chaos package. Inattention. Imagine Luke doing his homework and getting distracted by literally oxygen. Next, we have hyperactivity, constant movement, sitting still, never heard of it. And then we have impulsivity, doing first, thinking never. But you can't just call every hyper kid ADHD. The diagnosis is made after age of 4 and the symptom onset should be before the age of 12. But here's the important part. To diagnose ADHD, the patients must show symptoms in at least two settings. For example, at home, annoying Claire, but also at school, driving the teachers crazy. Because if it is only in one setting, then it could be situational and not ADHD. A lot of people think that ADHD is equal to low intelligence, but that is not true. Their intelligence is absolutely normal. They just struggle with focus, organization, and impulse control, which makes the school look harder than it actually is. If left untreated, ADHD can persist in adulthood. So, what are the treatment options that we have? Behavioral therapy, first line stimulant drugs like methylphenidate, alternatives like atomoxetine, which is a non stimulant, or alpha 2 agonists like clonidine and guanfacine. Remember, ADHD is linked with dopamine and norepinephrine dysregulation in the prefrontal cortex, also known as the area which is responsible for decision making and attention. So, Luke's brain isn't lazy, it is just wired different. Now, if you understand ADHD, then hit the follow button and wait for the next part.